Hi, 11th Dadasaheb Phalke, 2021. Myself Deepika from Bangalore, St. Joseph College filmmaking student. How did I come up with an idea for this film? Well, firstly, to be frank, I wrote the title called Chapli for this film. Then I started up with the concepts or the ideas which generated in myself because the Chapli is mine. It's especially a special one for me because I had such huge emotions attached with it. I couldn't say that it's a lucky or I don't predict for it, but some stories doesn't need some story behind it or writing something. I had a concept regarding the title itself. Well, firstly, and then I had some illusions, like kind of predictions that this Chapli is very old, throw it man. My mom used to always say that. And then there my concept or the idea for this film started to just bringing up concepts to it, like some superstitious belief where Brahmin people believe over it, and this prediction and some assumptions. We have some minute thread difference for assumptions and predictions, and even some superstitious beliefs, obviously. So these are all some kind of an illusion where we live in this society. So I just wanted to come out of it. Managing human resource and financial, obviously, being a filmmaking student, I would seriously say that we had a decent budget around for a film, like 25,000. That was actually pretty decent, doing it with our right restrictions and following up with if I need this location, I am gonna shoot over there because my home is somewhere else and we are traveling somewhere else to shoot a short film. That doesn't matter when you have that perfect locations or what you need, where you get that real real potential to that scene where you want to just frame yourself as a director. And then being director and an actor for this film, I was actually quite planned with all the locations because I had this location in my mind where I'm gonna shoot my short film. And then coming to the human resources, I was actually pretty restricted myself when I was writing Chapli, where I'm not gonna use any extra character which is unnecessary. And it was actually pretty well planned with those things. If I'm gonna use it with only some restrictions about it. How eventually my script turned out was like, planned example, like, if some cat passes away, we have that huge superstitious belief that our work will get, some kind of unfair, or like our work today which we are going apart it will get disastered, it doesn't go good. We have that beliefs. So those things like using cat or forcing something to just pass on, which is a living creature, that doesn't just make some good thought to me, or it might be a very experimental thing to do. So I just had some restrictions over it, and only that minute part which was being removed from my film when I wrote the final draft of my screenplay and script. So I say my film has almost reached 80%, which I had in my mind when I started writing first draft. Yeah. What are promotions and distribution, marketing for this film? Well, I would say I have done this film as an experimental part and my final year submissions for the St. Joseph College, and except for me, promotion is nothing but for the short films, especially for the short films. I would just suggest every filmmaker to send all over all over India, where his film could make good response from film festivals especially. See, my film has done very good in film festivals, and having 17 laurel achievements. And marketing will also be for the short films. Marketing is all about reaching some good audiences and good filmmakers and good celebrities as well as legendary filmmakers. Well, unique selling point of my film Chapli will be around with the main ambition of this film is to say that audience believing yourself will give you an extra set of confidence to face any situations faced in your life, and also handle any situations in your life. No need to believe someone's assumptions, predictions or superstitious belief. None of it will work in this boundary which we are living right now. Due to this corona or COVID, everything is being wide apart. No need of just calibrating everything into differentiating, calibrating. Everything doesn't work because the world needs to change. And first of all, you guys need to change to just explore yourself, believe in yourself to do something which is definitely gonna build up your heights. So Chapli's unique selling point will be believe in yourself. Why should audience see my film? Chapli has a different approach with some humor content. For the Chapli film is 20 minutes where it holds you with fun and gives you a message where you can connect with perceptions, because mutually people get connected with this short film. Like we need to believe ourselves. So some people say that I love something which I have, that's my favorite one, and if we lose it we just get freaked out it. And some people say that superstitious belief and my mom used to scold like this. Everyone connects with a different part, but my whole attention for the audience was to just have something which makes you good to yourself, and believing yourself is actually a victory. Message to Dada Saheb Phalke 2021. I am very small person to give a message, but I would definitely say that I am very thankful and very blessed to participate in 11th Dada Saheb Phalke 2021. And message, I would just say that all the best to every filmmakers from our India and international filmmakers. Fingers crossed, even my film has been selected over it, and I'm very excited to be announced on April 30 the final date of 11th Dada Saheb Phalke results.